What's up, guys? Today we're looking at Builderall 3.0. I'm also going to give you a quick rundown of how you can edit your back office and a quick rundown of the system as a whole. So, right now we're in my back office and I've already edited with the tools. I edit my back office with the tools that I usually use, with the exception of one or two new tools, and that's the site builder and the magazine editor. When you first log in, this board will be blank. All you'll see is this, depending on when you sign up or if you sign up, and this. And this then and this like I said before, this will be blank, but in order to get access to customize your back office, all you have to do is install more tools. Come down to install more tools, which will take you over to this page here. Once you're on this page, you can scroll down and pick which tools you want. So say for instance, I want the Canva funnel builder, then I just click on it and then come over here and hit add. They also have a quick description of what each tool does. So if you don't know what a tool does, and you're not certain about using it, you can read the description. This the e-commerce is a new app, as well as the video tag. Presenter Studio is old. Facebook, the Facebook chatbot is old. The Sherlock is old. E-learning already had it, but and over here they also have each of the apps broken down into segments. So, like if you're trying to look for a social media engagement app, then come over here and click on social media, and all the apps will come up for that specific topic. And if you're looking for design, then push design, and all the apps will come up for that specific topic. Okay, so we're back in the back office. Let's for for purpose sake, let's say you already have all the tools that you want in your back office, but they're not in the order that you want them in. If all you have to do to change the order is take them, wait till the directional course shows up, take them and just move them, and so you'll switch the order like that. If you have a tool installed on your back office and you don't want it there, just hit the remove button. And if you're whenever you're ready to use a tool, just click on it and then hit enter, and you'll go inside of that tool. the the left hand side is still pretty much the same, except if you get the Builderall business account, then you have a few new things, as well, a few new things, which includes team account, virtual assistant access. So say for instance you want someone to be in charge of a specific tool. Maybe you're running a digital marketing agency. Instead of giving everybody the password to the Ford account, you can come to the virtual assistant access and set up where people have a password to log into the Builderall system and go straight to the specific tool you want them to use. So they don't mess around with anything else. And all you have to do to do that is come over here, click new, fill this out, and it'll ask you, it'll ask more things for you to fill out in order, like tools and access key and stuff like that. Um, Everything else is pretty much the same. If you are an affiliate for Builderall, they have a lot of promotional tools, and you now are able to establish a team account. I'm not sure how to go about doing that. I'll probably check that out myself later. If you're new to the Builderall system and you want to learn how to use a tool, but you don't feel like trying to find a tool on a tool dashboard, and scrolling through the different tools, you can just come over here to the training section, and it'll take you to Builderall's built-in training, tools training. So, say for instance, if you want to build a website and you're looking to use the Builderall Pixel Perfect, then the training for it is right here, and they have step by step. They have each training broken down into different sections, and once you've gone through the whole website, the whole video, then you receive a check mark by that. That is going to be all for this episode. Remember to hit that like button, comment below if there's a video a topic that you want me to cover, and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you know when I drop my next new video.